Sean and the Wicked Seagull by the Six Musketeers from Portugal and the legendary group from Italy for the eTwinning project Out of the Box.
This story is about a prince, Sean. Sean lived in a beautiful castle near the sea. He had a best friend, the hologram of a pig whose name was Pig Hero 6.
Near the castle lived a wicked seagull called Alexander 13.
One day, Sean and his friend were eating a delicious salad with seafood. But in the salad there was a pill, a sleeping pill, but none of them noticed it.
Alexander had put it in the salad to make the two friends fall into a deep sleep.
This plan was to catch the hologram for his mobile phone. Suddenly the prince woke up because he hadn't eaten that much salad, and the wicked seagull had to fly away as quickly as possible.
Sean was devastated and wept inconsolably.
So decides that it was time to go.
He immigrated to a faraway land where there were no mobile phones, holograms, or seagulls. He met the love of his life, became a fisherman, and they ate seafood every day and lived happily ever after.